students, this is Kanika. Welcome to my channel Prep Biology. So today in this lecture we are going to discuss all the hormones from your chapter number 2, that is the human reproduction. Okay, we are going to discuss first the human males and second in human females. So in human males, the hormones, their source of secretion and their functions are very important. So first hormone is the luteinizing hormone, that is the LH. LH is secreted by the anterior pituitary, okay, so which is present in our brain, and the function of the luteinizing hormone is it act on the Leydig cell to secrete the testosterone. Okay, second hormone is the FSH, that is follicular stimulating hormone, which is also secreted by the anterior pituitary, and the function of the FSH is it acts on the Sertoli cell to secrete the ABP, that is androgen binding protein. Okay, LH, L4 luteinizing hormone, L4 Leydig cell. Okay, so you can remember like this. FSH act on the Sertoli cell. Okay, next is the androgen or testosterone. Testosterone is the androgen which is secreted by the Leydig cell, which is present in the testis, and the function of this hormone is it stimulates the process of spermatogenesis, that is the sperm production. Next hormone, which is very important, that is the ABP, that is androgen binding protein. This is basically a protein which is secreted by the Sertoli cell, and the function of ABP is it concentrate testosterone in seminiferous tubule, and it also secrete the inhibin which suppress the FSH synthesis. So inhibin, it helps in it suppress the function of the FSH synthesis in the negative feedback. Okay, so it do the negative feedback in the males. Okay, so these all are the hormones which are present in human males, and their source of secretion and the function of each and every hormone is important for your board exams. Sometimes you have questions like MCQs related, assertion reasons. Okay, so match the following. So these all are the hormones which are secreted in the human males. If we talk about the human females, there are different hormones. First is the LH, that is luteinizing hormone, which is secreted by anterior pituitary, and the LH of the human females, it helps in a rupture of the mature Graafian follicle. It helps in the ovulation process, release of the ovum takes place. FSH, it also secreted by the anterior pituitary, and it helps in the maintenance of the endometrium layer, which is the layer in the uterus of the females. Estrogen, which is secreted by the ovary, it helps in the proliferation of the endometrium. Next is progesterone. Progesterone, it is secreted by the corpus luteum, which is present in the ovary, and it helps in the prepare the endometrium for fertilized egg to implant. So this hormones helps in the implantation process. Next, these all hormones are present in the pregnant woman. So first is the HCG, that is human chorionic gonadotropin hormone, which is secreted from the placenta, and it stimulates the corpus luteum to produce the progesterone. Next is HPL, that is human prolactin lactogen hormone, which is also secreted by the placenta, female placenta, and it prepares the mother body for the breastfeeding. Next is relaxin hormone, which is secreted from the ovary. It hold the pubic symphysis together for dilation of the cervix. This is a very important. Oxytocin, it is secreted by the posterior pituitary, and it stimulates the contraction in labor, that is the delivery of the baby, that is parturition, and it also help in the milk ejection. And the last hormone, which is very important, that is prolactin, which is also secreted from the pituitary gland, and it induces the milk production. So these all are the hormones from your chapter number 2, that is the human reproduction, and these all hormones are very important for your board exams. So revise these hormones. You can draw these tabulated forms of the hormone source and the function of each hormone on your notebooks and revise them carefully. I hope this lecture is beneficial to you all. So if you like this lecture, like, share and subscribe my channel, that is Prep Biology. Thank you so much.